In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to put your AirPods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can put them in Bluetooth pairing mode if you want to pair them with a non-Apple device. For instance, your Android phone, could be a Samsung or any other Android phone, or even a TV, whatever it is, you need to first put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, in previous versions of AirPods, there used to be a button somewhere on the case, but now it's a touch capacitive button. So right below the light, just double tap on that. Okay, so let's go ahead, close the case. So open the case and then immediately double tap right below the light, and you can see that white light blinking rapidly, and that basically indicates that the AirPods are in Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay, so now you can search for them using any Android phone or any TV. So for instance, if I try with my Android phone here, just go to Bluetooth, just go to connections, Bluetooth, and start scanning for devices. They should be detectable. There you go. So that's basically how to put AirPods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's a touch sensitive button here, it's not a physical button. Just double tap on it and the AirPods will be in Bluetooth pairing mode. So open the case and then immediately double tap below the light. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.